So good morning, everyone. Now, today we'll do some numerical problem. We'll solve some numerical problem, okay, based on Laplace transformation, initial value, final value theorem. Okay. So we'll take the first one. Is this visible to you? थोड़ा सा hazy हो गया. Okay. I'm just telling you. You just listen carefully. The first problem is the signal is given. Okay. The function is given to you. That is f of t. Okay. And that is sin t. And that sin t exists within this range. Twice n minus 1 pi less equal to t less than twice n pi. Okay. This range. Now, value of n is 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, so on and so on. And it is 0 for other cases. Okay. And that is 0 for other cases. So it's something like that. If t is some kind of that, it does not exist. It is giving you value 0 value from 0 to pi, but pi to 2 pi there is a value. Okay. 3 pi to 4 pi there is a value. 5 pi to 6 pi there is a value. Okay. So it is a kind of uh, uh, causal periodic basically. Okay. Directly we can't say it's a periodic because in the left side you don't have the signal. So it is basically not a continuous time signal. Sorry, periodic time signal. But in the right side, if you say it's a causal, then you can say it's a causal periodic signal. Now you have to find out, okay, you have to find out Laplace transform of this signal. You have to find out Laplace transform, that is f of s, for this ft. So when we use xt, then we can say x of s. So here we are using f of t. So that's why Laplace form should be f of s. Okay. Now, if you look into the figure carefully, we'll have few ideas. Okay. Those are mainly, see, this is 0, this is pi. Okay, so this pi amount 0 to pi value is 0, pi to 2 pi there is a value that may be negative, positive, that does not matter, but exists. Similarly, see, 2 pi to 3 pi, the length is pi, there is a 0 value. 3 pi to 4 pi, there is a gap of pi, there is a value. So that means you can say that there is a repetition of this 0 and value. Okay, that is 0 and signal. 0 and signal. Okay, so 0 and signal, 0 and signal. So this is the repetition here. Therefore, this is no signal, there is signal. So this much is repeating here also. This. So it's a repetition of this signal. See, I have shown here. So basically, the above is nothing but repetition of the lower. Okay. So suppose if this is a time period t, Okay, 0 and there is a value. This gap is okay. If it is capital T, okay. So uh, this much amount repeats itself here. So if that happens, if there is a repetition of the same kind of pulses is there, then we can find out easily Laplace transformation. There is a formula. Now we are considering this is a F1t, okay, because this F1t repeats itself here and that makes it t. Thing is clear? So we'll find out the Laplace transformation of this signal, this part only. Firstly, at the beginning, we'll find out Laplace transformation of this signal. Okay, so I think no confusion. So and this is actually F1s. So therefore, the total for this signal for Ft, okay, if it is Fs, then Fs should be equal to F1s by 1 minus e to the power minus st. Okay, F1 is by 1 minus e to the power minus st. That is the formula. So first of all, you have to find out F1 is. So you concentrate on that. We'll deal with finding out F1 is solution. That is the Laplace transformation of F1t. Okay. Now, if you think about this signal, then you will easily find out this part, this amount, there is a zero value. From this to the pi to 2 pi, there is a value. That is a sign t. Okay. Basically, it's a sign nature, but first part is zero. This positive and negative होता तो ये sign होता, complete sign होता, but first part is zero. So it's a side t, but it exists this pi to 2 pi, this portion. But from 0 to pi, that is 0. So as we know the formula of Laplace transformation, so F1 is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, F1t into e to the power minus st dt. This is our formula and this is your F1t. We are going to find out F1 is of this signal. Now we can define it after seeing visualize the waveform. We can easily write, no confusion at all. F1t is equal to 0 from where to where? 0 to pi. So that I have written here. The signal is 0 for 0 to pi. Okay. Now the value is sin t from which to which? Which to where? Pi to 2 pi. So pi to 2 pi, there is a value sin t. So now we'll find out F1 is using this formula. So limit will also change because from 0 to pi there is no value at all. So we'll change accordingly the limiting factor of this integral. So now F1s is equal to, it should be limit pi to 2 pi because 0 to pi there is no significant value that vanished. So limits are pi to 2 pi and F1t is equal to sin t e to the power minus st dt. Now we can say it says I. We are assuming that it's a I. Okay. Now it's a u and it's a v because both are the function of time. Sin t is also function of time. To the power minus st also function of time. So by parts we integrate here. So it's a first value. So sin t as it is into differentiation of the second. So differentiation of the second क्या होगा? Sorry, integration of the second. तो फर्स्ट अनचेंज, सेकंड का क्या होगा? इंटीग्रेशन होगा तो e to the power minus st e to the power minus st एंड माइनस s नीचे में हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज योर इंटीग्रेशन पार्ट. लिमिटिंग फैक्टर क्या है? पाई टू 2 पाई माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ओवर पाई टू 2 पाई. फर्स्ट का क्या होगा? डिफरेंशिएशन, u का डिफरेंशिएशन du dx. तो सिमिलरली sin t का डिफरेंशिएशन होगा. sin t का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? cos t. So differentiation of sin t is cos t here. Then it's the integration of the second part. It is nothing but e to the power minus st by minus s dt. Okay. Now come to this point. You know that Sine value gives 0 here, pi to 2 pi. Okay, you know that. Within a range, what? It gives 0 value, sine to pi is 0, sine pi is 0. So that's why the first part does not contribute any values. So it gives 0 value. So it's gone, please. Pura ka pura value gone. Now you have to look at S is there. So this is minus, this is also minus. So minus into minus plus. So 1 upon S is coming out. Now cos t can be considered as u, e to the power minus st considered as v. h तो बाहर में आ गया. So now in the same way by parts you have to integrate here. So cos t as it is unchanged. सेकंड का इंटीग्रेशन होगा e to the power minus st by minus s. लिमिटिंग फैक्टर क्या है, pi to 2 pi. देन माइनस होता है फॉर्मूला में pi to 2 pi. फर्स्ट का डिफरेंशिएशन, cos का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है, माइनस साइन होता है. फिर से जो सेकंड वैल्यू भी है उसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा e to the power minus st by minus s, then dt. So that we get, I think no doubt about that. If you have, I just first complete it, then if you have doubt you can ask me. Okay, so now 1 upon s बाहर में. Now cos 2 pi का वैल्यू क्या होता है, cos 2 pi वैल्यू gives you 1, e to the power minus st, t में 2 pi हो जाएगा e to the power minus 2 pi s, e to the power minus 2 pi s. So upper limit is completed. Now lower limit. Okay, so minus and this minus that okay, so my cos pi, basically cos pi itself is a minus 1. Cos pi, when you are putting the lower limit, that is cos of pi, that gives you minus 1. Okay, and lower limit का minus, so minus in minus plus हो गया. Then e to the power minus s, t के क्या होगा, pi होगा, e to the power minus s pi, e to the power minus s pi. So upper limit and lower limit we have put it here. Okay, so this portion is completed. Now here देखो, this is minus and minus and minus, 3 minus. Okay, 3 minus there, so that's why it should be negative. S is there, 1 by s is coming out, pi to 2 pi as it is. This is sin t e to the power minus st dt. Now if you think pi to 2 pi sin t e to the power minus st dt, what is that? It is I. देखो, pi to 2 pi sin t into e to the power minus st dt, what is that? That value is I. So in this space pi to 2 pi sin t e to the power minus st dt, we can put here I, because it is matches with I value. We have already considered this integral as I. So now if you take this I to लेफ्ट साइड, बिकॉज लेफ्ट साइड में आई है. ओके, सो राइट साइड में जो आई है वो भी बाएं तरफ चला जाएगा. तो अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा, आई प्लस आई बाई स्क्वायर. ओके, बिकॉज देयर इज ए एस, देयर इज ए एस, सो आई बाई स्क्वायर लेफ्ट साइड में चलाएगा. राइट साइड में क्या है देखो, ये एस एंड ये जो अंदर में एस है, सो ए स्क्वायर हो गया. ठीक है, ये माइनस माइनस हो गया, e to the power minus twice pi s as it is plus e to the power minus s pi square. So this is the expression now. Now from there you can simplify it. So if you take I common here and if you make LCM, so क्या होगा, a square plus 1 by a square into I. तो देखो राइट साइड में भी स्क्वायर है, so स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर कैंसिल आउट. So क्या है, I is equal to minus e to the power minus 2 pi s plus e to the power minus s pi divided by a square plus 1. Okay, so this is I. This is I means basically this is your f1s. Okay, I means this is your f1s. This is your f1s. So I means this is your f1s. फॉर्मूला क्या था, f1s by 1 minus e to the power minus s. T क्या है, T is the period here. Okay, T is the period here. So now as we have f1s, now we can find out easily fs. So fs is equal to, we can easily write down fs is equal, as the formula is there, f1 is by 1 minus e to the power minus एस टी, टी मीन्स पीरियड। तो यहाँ पीरियड क्या है देखो, चलो देखो, दिस इज 0, दिस इज 2 पाई। सो पीरियड क्या है, फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस पॉइंट इज हाउ मच, 2 पाई। देखो मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे टी, टी बेसिकली इज योर 0 to 2 पाई, सो 2 पाई। सो टी की जाएगा में क्या होगा, e to the 1 minus e to the power minus s into 2 पाई, सो दैट इज e to the power minus 2 पाई s। सो इसलिए f1s by 1 minus e to the power minus s 2 पाई। सो नाउ यू डायरेक्टली प्लेस f1s का वैल्यू, f1s का वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट कर दिया, और अंदर से हम क्या कॉमन ले लिए, e to the power minus s पाई। ओके, कॉमन नहीं है, सो इधर क्या होगा 1 प्लस e to the power minus पाई हो गया। So if you take e to the power minus pi is common, so that will be 1 and that will be e to the power minus pi, because 2 pi is, वहां से pi is common ले लिया, तो 1 plus e to the power minus pi is ऊपर में। नीचे में क्या होगा, square plus 1 is there, square plus 1 and 1 minus e to the power minus 2 pi is। Okay, so I think up to this clear, no complexity at all। Now see, e to the power minus pi is at is it, 1 plus e to the power minus pi is as it is, नीचे a square plus 1 as it is। now देखो 1 minus e to the power minus 2 pi is, that is some kind of a square minus b square। okay, it's a kind of a square minus b square, so you can write down a plus b into a minus b। देखो, so इसे 1 square e to the power minus pi is whole square, so a square minus b square हो गया। सो जब a square minus b square का फॉर्मूला क्या है, a plus b into a minus b होता है, तो वही से हम लोग लिए हैं। a plus b means 1 plus e to the power minus pi is, a minus b means 1 minus e to the power minus pi is। तो we have simplified here, a square minus b square था, यहाँ पे a plus b into a minus c we have done। now ऊपर में 1 plus e to the power minus pi is था, नीचे में भी सेम फैक्टर है, so they will cancel each other। ultimately the solution is fs is equal to minus e to the power minus pi is divided by square plus 1 minus e to the power minus pi is। so that is your solution, that is your final solution। if you have doubt किसी भी जगह में तो बोल सकते हो। I have already provided that note in your WhatsApp group। still if you have any doubt you can ask me the question, otherwise we will go for some इनिशियल एंड फाइनल वैल्यू थ्योरम का जो न्यूमेरिकल है वो हम दिखाएंगे। So numerical on initial and final value theorem। Okay, so already in your last few classes we have discussed in detail about your final value and initial value theorem। Okay, so initial value theorem, what is the formula, limit t tending to 0 plus x of t, that is x of 0 plus that is equal to limit s tending to infinity s x s, ये था, ठीक है। तो let us take one example to solve it। वो कंडीशन तुमको दिमाग में रखना है, इनिशियल वैल्यू 0 के लिए ये इम्पल्स नहीं होना चाहिए, उसका हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव भी नहीं होना चाहिए। ओके, एट सिग्नल शुड बी पॉजिटिव, ठीक है। तो keeping on that in mind, we have taken one example here, f of s is equal to 4s plus 5 divided by a square plus 8s plus 16। Question is that find initial value of f, that is f of 0 plus you have to find out। तो फॉर्मूला f of 0 plus limit t tending to 0 plus f of t is equal to limit s tending to infinity, जैसे तुम्हारा फॉर्मूला है SFS। सो SFS का वैल्यू क्या है, 4s plus 5 divided by a square plus 8s plus 16। okay, this is the case। now from upper side में तुम s कॉमन ले लो, यहाँ पे the process is there, you have to take common s। so if you take s common here, so it will be 4 plus 5 by s, 4 plus 5 by s। so and this s and this s will be a square, so a square into 4 plus 5 by s, नीचे में square, if you take square common So 1 plus क्या हो जाएगा, 1 plus 8 by s plus 16 by x square. Now if you put this limiting factor s tending to infinity, तो 5 by infinity वो 0 हो जाएगा, 8 by infinity 0 हो जाएगा, 16 by infinity square that also be 0. So ultimately क्या होगा, 4 by 1 होगा. So 4 by 1 4, that is the answer. That is the answer. And मैंने बोला था ये जो डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में एनएस एंड डीएस में क्या डिग्री का क्या होना चाहिए, सिंगल का होना चाहिए क्या. तो यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, 2 minus 1 is 1, इसलिए we got some initial value. Correct. Now we take one more example. किसी को भी डाउट है तो बोलो, डाउट हो सकता है, नहीं तो दूसरा प्रॉब्लम में हम जाएंगे. Okay. तो I am assuming you are in good position, don't have any doubt. बाद में भी तुम पूछ सकते हो, बाद में पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. एनी टाइम यू कैन आस्क मी द क्वेश्चन, बट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट. देखो और एक प्रॉब्लम, ये थोड़ा अलग तरीके से करना है. एफ एस इक्वल टू 6s plus 5 by 2s plus 8. तो यहाँ पे देखो s का डिग्री समान है, तो समान होने से नहीं होगा. तो if you have that sort of problem in numerical in your exam, any sort of exam, not necessarily in the semester, that may be in some competitive exam also. So in that case, you have to follow one special rule, because this special condition is there. What is that? You have to make long division method primarily. इसलिए मैंने लिख दिया long division method. What is that? Simple division basically. So 2s plus 8 and 6s plus 5. So हम यहाँ पे division हम नहीं सिखाएंगे आपको, because सबको ये आता है. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है, 9 minus 90 रिमाइंडर. ओके, तो हम लिख सकते हैं इसको एफ एस को थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाइड फॉर्म में, 3 minus, because it's a minus 19, 3 minus 19 by 2s plus 8. Now if you make LCM, you will get this value again. Okay, so this is the case. Now देखो ये 3 के लिए तुमको worried हो कोई जरूरी नहीं है. You have to think about this remainder part, that is minus 19 by twice s plus 8. यहाँ पे you have to use initial value theorem. Okay, not here. So if that degrees are same, then in case you have to take long division, then you have to make that sort of form. After making this sort of form, you take this part only, not this integer values or the constant values. That is basically a rational number. If you know that, it should be rational number. This part only is the rational. So now we are taking the formula f of 0 plus limit s tending to infinity s into fs था, लेकिन s into fs हम लोग नहीं लिख पाए क्योंकि 3 not be included here, only this part. So s into minus 19 by twice s plus 8. Okay, now limit s tending to infinity. So s is upper side में, lower side में you take s common here. So s into 2 plus 8 by s. इन भीतर में क्या होगा, 2 plus 8 by s. Now s cancel out. Now you put value of s here. हाँ infinity. So क्या होगा, minus 19 by 2 हो जाएगा, 8 by infinity 80. So minus 19 by 2. The result is minus 19 by 2. So minus 9.5. So this is the solution, and we get the initial value. Okay. So see, if the degrees are same, in that case you have to use long division method, and you have to find out that fraction part, and that fraction part you have to take for finding out initial values theorem. और एस एफ एस की जगह में एस रहेगा, एफ एस की जगह में वो जो फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट है, रेशनल पार्ट जो है, that you have to include here, and ultimately you have to find out this initial value. So if you have doubt, you can ask me the question. If you have doubt, you can ask me the question. Don't keep doubts in your mind. Okay, don't keep any single doubts in your mind. Okay. So now we'll take another example. Okay, I will give you some numerical to solve at your home, but before that I am showing you some problem solution. Okay, then we will give you few numericals. F of s is equal to s cube 6 s square plus 8s plus 10 s square plus 4s plus 3. So this is not the degree of denominator higher than the denominator in numerator, because ns by ds ds का डिग्री यहाँ पे कम हो गया, ठीक है, यहाँ पे कम हो गया. So in that case, if that happens, then also you have to use long division method. So make divisions. I am not discussing this division part here. It's very silly portion. Okay, लोग हंसेंगे. So after this long division method, we get s plus 2. Okay, is the result, and remainder part is minus 3s plus 4. So we can write s plus 2 plus minus 3s plus 4 by this s square plus 4s plus 3. So when you are going for finding out initial value, you have to use this part only, not s plus 2 part. Okay, because that not a rational number. That should be rational. Because ns by ds form में होना चाहिए. Now f of 0 plus limit s tending to infinity s into this part minus 3s plus 4 divided by s square plus 4s plus 3. तो जब s take common, ये क्या होगा, minus 3 plus 4 by s, minus 3 plus 4 by s. नीचे में क्या लेगा, a square common. So every time take common the highest degree. Okay, every time you have to take the common highest part, highest degree. ये दिमाग में घुसाना चाहिए दोनों. So taking a square common, अंदर में क्या होगा बाबू, 1 plus 4 by s plus 3 by s square हो गया. ना देखो यहाँ ऊपर में स्क्वायर है, नीचे में स्क्वायर है, काट. Now you put the values of s, that is infinity. So 4 by infinity 0 हो जाएगा, 4 by infinity 0 हो जाएगा, 3 by infinity 0 हो जाएगा. So क्या रहेगा, minus 3 by 1, minus 3 by 1, that is minus 3. That is the solution. That is the solution. Okay. So that I have shown you few numericals. Okay, how to find out your initial value and final value theorem. Now we'll move for final value theorem. Okay. And as I discussed earlier classes, if you have any doubt, you can follow videos, YouTube videos I have already shared. So limit t tending to infinity x of t, because final value, so that's why t tending to infinity not t is equal to 0. x of infinity limit s tending to 0, यहाँ पे s 0 हो गया, s into xs. So condition क्या था, तुमको ये दिमाग में रखना है. मैंने बोला था s xs xs का पार्ट में कोई पोल राइट साइड में नहीं होना चाहिए ऑफ द एस में. सभी को जो पोल होना चाहिए, सब पोल को लेफ्ट साइड में एस प्लेन के अंदर में होना चाहिए. सो LHS ऑफ एस प्लेन, दैट मीन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ एस प्लेन, 0 का मान दीजिए. इसका s इंटू एक्स का, नॉट ओनली एक्स, और एक्स होगा तो तुम्हारा 0 से बाधित होना चाहिए, 0 से बाधित, 0 से लेफ्ट. इफ यू कंसीडर एक्सेस में पोल ओरिजिन में हो सकता है, तो भी वो फाइनल वैल्यू थ्योरम यूज कर सकते हो, लेकिन डाउन साइड में नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट साइड में नहीं होना चाहिए. इफ यू थिंक अबाउट एक्स ऑफ एस, सो एक्स ऑफ एस के लिए पोल 0 में ओरिजिन में हो सकता है, दैट, और नहीं तो एस इंटू एक्सेस का जो पोल होगा वो लेफ्ट साइड में होगा, इसका एस प्लेन का. तो तुमको ये चेक करना पड़ेगा. ओके, और बहुत सारा कंडीशन था, मैंने बोल दिया, बट दैट इज द फाइनेस्ट एंड द इम्पोर्टेंट कंडीशंस. सो लेट अस टेक LT of FT is Fs. I have taken something like that, 5s square plus 20s plus 6 divided by s into s square plus twice s plus 1. Okay. As t tending to infinity, then ft approaches to, that means you have to find out final value. Therefore, t tending to infinity means you have to find out the final values. From the, if it is t tending to 0, that means you have to find out initial value. From there, you have to understand what they have asked you. Okay, so ft approaches to, that dash is there, you have to fill up here. So fs क्या है? Given 5 square times 3s plus 6 divided by s into a square plus 2s plus 2. So that is given. Okay, so all the questions what I am showing you, किसी ना किसी को किसी एग्जाम में ये आ गए हैं. So these are most important. Now s fs तुमको निकालनी है, s into fs. ठीक है, तो s into fs होगा, ये s कट जाएगा, ऊपर में क्या होगा 5s स्क्वायर प्लस 23s प्लस 6 डिवाइडेड बाय s स्क्वायर प्लस 2s प्लस 2. So now limit t tending to infinity, फॉर्मूला क्या है ft, that is limit s tending to 0 s into fs. तो s fs का वैल्यू तुमको मिल गया, तो जहां जहां s है उसका वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा. So ultimately 6/2 होगा, 6/2, so that is 3. If you find out the poles here, you will find out, you will get all the poles are at the left side, negative होगा. Okay, all the values are negative. Okay, now the answer is 3. Okay, now देखो, some question is some kind of that differential equation. The x double dot 3x single dot 2xt is equal to 5. तो सॉल्यूशन क्या निकालनी है? xt approaches, ओके, when t tending to infinity, that means xt कहाँ जा रहा है वैल्यू का, t का वैल्यू जब इन्फिनिटी हो रहा है, that means फाइनल वैल्यू. They have asked you to find out final value. So if you write in differential form, d2 dxt dt square plus 3 dxt dt plus 2xt is equal to 5. Now you have to find out Laplace transformation of this as a whole. You people know that differentiation का Laplace transformation. You people know if the degree of the differentiation is 2, then what will happen? You know everything, and that's why I am telling you, you should follow all the properties. ये क्या होगा डबल डेरिवेटिव के लिए? फॉर्मूला तो यही है, तुमको मालूम है, लिमिट t टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी x ऑफ t, लिमिट t s टेंडिंग टू 0 s into x. So you have to find out x of s here. तो जब ये कांस्टेंट होगा उसका लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन you can think is 5 into ut. You can think of that if there is any constant value, then you put ut, unit step function there. Here 5 है, that is you can think in time domain, it is 5 ut. Okay, it's a 5 ut. Now d2 xt dt स्क्वायर का क्या होगा? a स्क्वायर x of s होगा प्लस dxt dt क्या होता है? s xs होता है. पावर होगा, जितना पावर होगा उसका पावर हो जाएगा यहाँ पे स्क्वायर एक्सेस. यहाँ पे ये सिंगल डिग्री है, इसलिए 3 इंटू एस इंटू एक्सेस है, यहाँ पे 2 इंटू एक्सेस है, 5/s होगा. यू नो दैट ut का लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैंने तुमको दिखाया बहुबार, हाँ 5/s होगा. सो ये लाइट साइड में 5/s हो गया. ना इसी एक्सप्रेशन से यू टू निकालनी है x ऑफ s. तो यू टेक x ऑफ s कॉमन हियर, अंदर में क्या होगा? a स्क्वायर प्लस 3s प्लस 2, राइट साइड में 5/s. सो x हेंस x ऑफ s इज इक्वल टू 5/s a स्क्वायर प्लस 3s प्लस 2. So 5/s into a स्क्वायर प्लस 3s प्लस 2, that is your x of s. So you got x of s. Now you can find out s into x of s easily. So s xs निकल गया, 5/a स्क्वायर प्लस 3s प्लस 2, 5/a स्क्वायर प्लस 3s प्लस 2. Now take the final value theorem. X of infinity, limit t tending to infinity x of t, limit s tending to 0 x into xs. x into xs का वैल्यू क्या है? a स्क्वायर प्लस 3s प्लस 2. तो you put values s का 0 यहाँ पे हो जाएगा, s 0 0, तो 5/2 हो जाएगा, that is 2.5. that is the answer. That is the answer. Okay. Now if you find out poles here, a square 3s plus 2, making a square plus 3s plus 2 is equal to 0. If you factorize that and if you find out s का value, तो वो negative होगा. That means poles are at the left side of this S plane. So we got these final values. Here, how much the final value? 2.5. So this is also one more example. Now I have taken one example here. X of s is equal to 4 by a square plus 4. Acha, up to this, if you have any doubt, you can tell me the question. If you have any doubt. तो ये क्या है? x of s is equal to 4 by a square plus 4. तो ये तुम लिख सकते हो 2 square by a square plus 2 square. You can write down. That is a square by a square plus a square, something like that, or b square by a square plus b square, some kind of that. If that happens, there is a formula sine of omega t ut. If there is a signal sine of omega t ut, and if you make Laplace transformation of this, you have to remember all these pairs. Standard कुछ form है, तुमको ये दिमाग में रखना है. Okay, you find all these standard Laplace transformation form from any textbook, any sort of textbook. If you don't have, I can provide you. Okay, so sin omega t ut के लिए होता है omega 0 by a square plus omega. Sorry, I'm sorry, it's not square. So omega 0. sorry 4 by 4. ये omega 0 मीन्स ये फॉर्मूला है. ये omega 0 होगा एंड नीचे में omega 0 स्क्वायर होगा. ओके, सो sin omega t is equal to omega 0 divided by square plus omega square. नाउ देखो x of t क्या होगा? यहाँ पे x of s तुम्हारे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म मिल गया. x of s 4 by square plus 4t. इस तरफ जो फॉर्मूला आएगा वो sin t होगा. sin t होगा. ओके, ये sin t होगा. तो ओमेगा 0 वैल्यू क्या है? आई थिंक आई हैव रिटन, थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गई. ये ओमेगा स्क्वायर ही होगा. ओके, ऊपर में प्लीज चेक इट. आई विल आल्सो चेक. आई थिंक ओमेगा स्क्वायर स्क्वायर प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर. ओके, प्लीज चेक इट. इट शुड बी ओमेगा स्क्वायर आई थिंक. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 2 स्क्वायर बाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर. तो ओमेगा 0 का वैल्यू कितना है? यहाँ पे 2 है. इसलिए देखो क्या हो गया? एक्स टी इक्वल टू साइन 2t हो गया. साइन ओमेगा टी है, साइन ओमेगा टी यू टी. तो ओमेगा वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या है? 2 है. इसलिए साइन 2t इंटू यू टी. ये है, ये जो तुम्हारा x ऑफ s है, दैट मींस यू आर टेकिंग इनवर्स लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. यहाँ पे एज डोमेन से तुम टाइम डोमेन में वापस जा रहे हो by using inverse Laplace transformation. So there is a standard formula is this, that's this omega square by square plus omega square, वो होगा sin omega t. और sin